Welcome to San Francisco, the city by the bay. In this first part of our walking tour, we'll explore the iconic landmarks that define this beautiful city.
Our journey begins at the crown jewel, the Golden Gate Bridge. Stretching nearly 2 miles across the strait, it's a marvel of modern engineering. Its signature color, international orange, was chosen to complement the natural surroundings and stand out in the city's famous fog. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. From Battery Spencer, you get an unparalleled view of the bridge's majestic sweep and the bustling bay activity below. Walking across is an experience like no other, feeling the vibration of the traffic and the cool breeze off the Pacific Ocean. Beneath the massive towers lies Fort Point, a Civil War-era fort that once guarded the entrance to San Francisco Bay. Continuing our walk, we reach Crissy Field, a former airfield turned scenic park, perfect for a stroll along the shoreline. We then enter the Presidio, a lush forest in the heart of the city, featuring towering eucalyptus and cypress trees. Walking along Lover's Lane, we find a peaceful path that has connected the Presidio to the city for over a century. Here, the woodline art installation by Andy Goldsworthy meanders through the trees, a beautiful blend of nature and art. Just a short distance away is the Palace of Fine Arts, originally built for the 1915 Panama Pacific International Exposition. Its Greco-Roman architecture and serene lagoon make it one of the most photographed and beloved spots in San Francisco. For those looking for a workout with a reward, the Lion Street Steps offer breathtaking vistas of the Marina District and the bay. Down on the Marina Green, the sky is often filled with colorful kites, while sailboats glide gracefully across the sparkling water. The surrounding streets are home to stunning Victorian architecture, reflecting the city's unique charm and historical elegance. A bit further along, we reach Ghirardelli Square, a historic hub famous for its chocolate and vibrant atmosphere. No walking tour is complete without visiting the famous sea lions at Pier 39, a staple of the San Francisco waterfront. Fisherman's Wharf offers a lively atmosphere with fresh seafood, street performers, and a unique maritime heritage. Heading into North Beach, the city's Little Italy, we're surrounded by cozy cafes and a rich bohemian history. High atop Telegraph Hill sits Coit Tower, offering panoramic views of the entire city and the bay. We've seen the icons of the North Shore, but our journey is just beginning. Join us in part 2 as we head into the heart of the city to tackle Lombard Street and Chinatown. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.